The Bissell Garage Pro wall-mounted wet-dry car vacuum is more than just a cleaning appliance. It's a testament to purposeful innovation. With a dedication to saving homeless pets through the Bissell Pet Foundation, each purchase carries a noble cause. This review delves into the multifaceted features and functionalities of this vacuum. From its robust 12-amp motor capable of handling both wet and dry messes to its comprehensive attachment kit and convenient wall mount design. Through meticulous analysis, we uncover how this vacuum transcends conventional cleaning devices, offering efficiency, versatility, and a meaningful impact on both homes and communities. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Purposeful Philanthropy. This vacuum stands out not just for its cleaning prowess, but also for its commitment to a noble cause. Every purchase contributes to saving homeless pets through the Bissell Pet Foundation. This added layer of purpose makes investing in this vacuum a gratifying experience for pet lovers. Number 2. Versatile cleaning power. With a robust 12-amp motor, this vacuum is designed to tackle a wide array of messes. Whether it's in the garage, car, workshop, or any other space, it effortlessly picks up both wet and dry debris, ensuring a thorough clean every time. The ability to convert into a blower expands its utility, making it a comprehensive cleaning solution for various environments. Number 3. Comprehensive Attachment Kit. Equipped with 7 versatile attachments and an accessory bag, this vacuum offers a tailored cleaning experience for different surfaces. From bare floors to carpeting, upholstery, and beyond, each attachment serves a specific purpose, ensuring efficient cleanup in every corner and crevice. Number 4. Efficient Filtration System. The 2-stage filtration system ensures that both large and fine particles are captured effectively, contributing to cleaner air and a healthier environment. The 4-gallon semi-translucent dirt tank provides ample capacity for extended cleaning sessions, reducing the need for frequent emptying. Number 5. Convenient wall mount design. The inclusion of a wall mounting kit and an extra long hose, stretching up to 32 feet, enhances the convenience and accessibility of this vacuum. By mounting it on the wall, valuable floor space is preserved, while the extended hose ensures coverage for larger areas without the hassle of constantly moving the unit. Number 6. User-friendly features. The ergonomic design and lightweight construction make maneuvering this vacuum a breeze, even in tight spaces. With a noise level of 80 decibels, it strikes a balance between powerful performance and comfortable operation. The touch control method adds to the user-friendly experience, allowing for intuitive operation. Number 7. Durable construction and warranty. Crafted with durability in mind, this vacuum is built to withstand the rigors of regular use. Backed by a 2-year warranty, users can have peace of mind knowing that their investment is protected against defects and malfunctions. Number 8. Comprehensive cleaning solution. Whether it's removing pet hair from upholstery, clearing debris from the garage floor, or giving the car interior a thorough clean, this vacuum excels in providing a comprehensive cleaning solution for various surfaces and environments. Its versatility, efficiency, and user-friendly design make it a valuable addition to any household or workspace. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 11 inches length by 11 inches width by 26 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The Bissell Garage Pro wall-mounted wet-dry car vacuum embodies excellence in cleaning performance, versatility, and social responsibility. Its robust features, including a powerful motor, comprehensive attachment kit, and convenient wall mount design, ensure efficient and thorough cleaning in various environments. Moreover, its commitment to supporting the Bissell Pet Foundation adds a profound layer of purpose to each purchase, contributing to the welfare of homeless pets. As a result, This vacuum stands as not only a reliable cleaning solution, but also a symbol of compassion and impact, making it a compelling choice for discerning consumers. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links, and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.